to my channel. It's Simply Gorgeous, and today we are here to just show you some of the products I recently purchased from Nykaa Summer Super Saver Days, and they were on a great discount with a variety of products and a huge range of brands, So just that, without much delay, let's go and showcase some of the products. So the first product is one of my most favorite products. It's an eyeshadow palette from Nykaa. It's the birthday cake, and why it's one of my most favorite, it's because of these pigmentations. You see, it's very pigmented. See all the range, they are very pigmented. And the best part is that even though they are so much pigmented, they tend to blend very easily. They are very easily blendable. And they have a very good pigmentation. Just see, they have a very good pigmentation. The pigmentations are awesome. They are just awesome. Just see, even sky blue one is very good. This is the range. It's wonderful. It's really very beautiful. The pigmentation, they have a great pigmentation with wonderful blendable texture. You see, they are very easily blendable, and it has 3 glittery shades and the rest are matte finish. Okay. Our second product is Maybelline New York from the Sensational range. It's Super Stay Matte Ink, and the shade is 180 Revolutionary. According to me, it's very see the smell, you will feel like, I feel like eating it. It smells so good, and it gives a creamish texture, yet it's very matte finish. It's a very matte finish with a creamish texture, so it's, it nourishes your lips at the same time, giving the matte finish. So it's very good for the day-to-day use also. It's a very good color. Okay, so our next product is Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte and Poreless. It's a compact powder. From the various compact powders I have tried, I think this is one of the best ones. My shade is 112 Natural Ivory, and the best part is it has a wide range, starting from the Indian skin tones, the darker ones, the medium skin tone, the lighter skin tone. It has a very good range, and for the lighter ones, it's a bit costlier side, but it's much more pocket friendly for medium to darker skin tones. It's a good purchase. You can definitely go and try out. And the next product is Maybelline New York the Hyper Curl, and it's waterproof. It gives a very good curls. If you are not someone who prefers so much of false lashes, you are not into so much of false lashes, this will enhance your look. This will definitely enhance your look. Even now I am wearing it. It's a very good purchase. It's worth spending the money. It's a very good purchase, and you can definitely try it out. It somehow volumizes your lashes a little bit, and curls, it gives very good curls. This is a very good purchase. The next one we have from Swiss Beauty. It's Rocky Mountain E05, the shade. It's glimmer liner for eyes. The color is very unique. The color is what attracted me. The color is definitely very unique. For the color, you can try, but I think you should go for other brands. Even Lakme has this color, so I don't recommend this. This is not a good purchase according to me. Though it's pocket friendly, but the purchase is not so good. Neither the pigmentation is good nor it lasts longer, so I definitely won't recommend this. The next one is from Maybelline New York Master Chrome, and it's by Face Studio. You see, it's a metallic highlighter, and The shade is very good. The shade is really very good. Even the pigmentation is very good, and it's long lasting. It's definitely long lasting with a very good finish. It gives a very good finish. I would prefer it for Indian fairer skin tones. I think it goes better for them. But you know, if you want a glittery texture, you can really go ahead and give it a try. It gives a very good finish. And the next product is a life-changing product. It's the best product I have, one of the bestest products I have ever used. It's from Maybelline once again. It's Instant Age Rewind Eraser Multi-Use Concealer. My shade is 120 Light. As you can see, it's a very good concealer. It's definitely one of the best purchases you will ever make. It's actually not within the budget, but it's because of this Nykaa Summer Super Saver deals, I got it within the budget. And you can also do one trick which I definitely follow. You can put the product in the wish list or in the bag, you know, and whenever there is a sale, you constantly keep on checking. Whenever there is a sale, you go and grab it out. So that's how I got it. It's a ghar ka nuska, but it's very good. It's definitely a good purchase. You can go and try it out. Our next product is from Nykaa. It's a mini lipstick. I just wanted to try Nykaa's product, and therefore I put my hands into a mini lipstick. It's 16M Spiced Cabernet. It's 1.5 gram. It's a very good color. It's very dark. It's a deep brown, you know. See, it's very pigmented. Though it's a matte finish, but it's creamy. It nourishes your lips. It's not very difficult to wear. It's a very good color. The next product is from Lakme. It's actually very expensive. It's beyond the budget, but in the sale I got it within the budget. It's almost 50% discount. It's Lakme Absolute Kohl Ultimate the Gelato collection. It's 02 Blackcurrant, the shade. It's an eyeliner. It might seem too expensive, but in sale you can go for it. The color is very good. Such unique eyeliners are definitely not easy available. It is a very good color. You can definitely give it a try. This is a must recommendation. You can definitely go ahead and give it a try. It's a beautiful color. In an eyeshadow palette, you know, these days I am so much into palettes. I am just obsessed with these eyeshadow palettes. And Nykaa is a very good, you know, the color ranges they are having. You see the birthday cake, and again this one is the Under the Sea. It again has 9 shades. 3 are glittery shades and the rest 6 are the matte finish shades. You see, they have a wide range of colors and they are very pigmented, highly pigmented colors. I am just in love with them. If you are a newbie like me and you love to experiment different looks, this is a great purchase. You should definitely go and give it a try. You see these colors, they are such easily blendable and the pigmentation is awesome. See the colors, just see them, they are awesome. The colors are very nice. You can definitely go ahead and give it a try. You will be in love with eyeshadow, means these palettes. You will also be obsessed like me. See, the colors, the range, pigmentation is superb. You can definitely go and give this a try. Next we have this micellar cleansing water. It's from Garnier. It's a very popular these days. It's very popular. It's for sensitive skin. Even you can go ahead and give it a try. It's you know, even if you use with fingers you can use. I prefer it with cotton pads for better result. With a single stroke you will see. See, with single stroke you can see how it erases all the products. See, everything is gone. It's very good. It's really very good. And even for sensitive skin, you see, even I have very sensitive skin, for acne prone skins and all. It's very good. you can definitely go and give it a try. Nothing bad. You will for better results, definitely what you can do is, after removing with this, you can go and cleanse your face. It will give the best results for sensitive skins. Eyelash curler is from Vega. The product is good. I have previously tried various eyelash curlers, but this one is definitely one of the best. It gives a it has a padding over here which protects your eyelids. It's not too harsh. And a trick I can give, if you put this little bit on top of the heat, on top of the flame, if you put slightly, ज़्यादा heat मत कर लेना. If you put slightly on top of the flame and then curl your lashes, then it will give the best results. And try it. It will definitely give very good results to you. The curler is definitely a good purchase. It's worth the money. Hey guys, so with this today I end my video over here. I hope you all are staying safe, staying at home. Please guys, stay at home. Even though there are not lockdowns in various places, I know, but still give your best. If it's not too much necessary, don't go out. Stay at your homes. If not for yourself, for your loved ones. Stay at home. Stay safe. Drink plenty of water. Live a healthy life these days. You are at your home. You have plenty of time. You can do some of the exercises, some of the breathing exercise. You can connect with your friends, with your family, over phones, over video calls. You can definitely try your hands on various creative things. Whatever keeps you motivated, keeps you refreshed, Just what I want to say is, if we could overcome the first strain, we will definitely get over the second strain very soon. Stay at your homes and stay safe. Bye-bye. Take care.